Hyrox Youngstars combines 9 exercises for strength, endurance, speed and coordination. The target group are 8 to 15-year-old boys and girls. Unlike the adult Hyrox event, it is less of a race and more of a challenge for the children and young people. To prevent overexertion, they always have breaks between the individual stations. If you want to find out more about the difference to the classic Hyrox, click on the info card at the top right or on the video in the credits. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Sportunterricht is very proud to have been part of this great project from the very beginning, both in the planning and execution, and we hope to see many of you at future events. The material used for Hyrox Youngstars will be the stick seats. You can find out how we rebuilt the station and how you can use the stick seats multifunctionally in subsequent videos on the channel. After registration, the exact procedure was explained to the parents and children. This was followed by a joint warm-up and the children were accompanied from station to station by the team guide. You can jump to the individual stations in the table of contents. The first station of Hyrox Youngstars is the Shuttle Run. Here the participants transport the stick seats from point A to point B. The distance to be covered varies depending on the age group. It is not allowed to throw the stick seats, they must be put down. Station number 2 of the ski erg is the same as for the adults. Here the distance also varies depending on age from 200 to 600 meters with different damper settings. At the third pull station, the stick seats are hooked into the rope. The participants should only pull the weight out of their arms without moving. As soon as they have successfully pulled the weight towards them, they run to the other side and start again, until they have completed their distance. As you can see here, with increasing age, first the distance and then the weight is increased. Station 4 is the Slalom Run. The Slalom Run works in exactly the same way as the Shuttle Run, except that the children and young people run a slalom through medicine balls. Five, burpee broad jump, frogger. At Hyrox Youngstars, the 8 to 9-year-olds do froggers, you can see it here, and the older kids do burpee broad jumps over different distances. Station 6, rowing, is also carried out in the same way as for adults. The distances vary from 200 to 500 meters with different damper settings. Similar to the Shuttle and Slalom Run at Station 7, the Obstacle Run, the students transport the stick seats from A to B but also jump over obstacles. The 8th station is Farmer's Carry. Here the students carry the stick sits from A to B. The weight varies not only by age but also by gender from the age of 12. Otherwise, the station is the same as for the adults. As for the adults, the Hyrox event is completed with the wall balls. Again, the height or weight varies according to age and gender. It is important that a 90-degree knee angle is achieved and that the medicine ball is thrown high enough. After approximately 70 to 90 minutes, the children have successfully completed Hyrox Youngstars. They are congratulated by the coaches and received their finisher patches. There was also an award ceremony with prizes for the fastest participants. From what I could see, the children and young people had a lot of fun, and I think it's great that they are slowly being introduced to classic Hyrox without any pressure. There will be Hyrox Youngstars event at least in Singapore and Hong Kong this year, and hopefully some in Germany and Austria next year.